So homework day 21, continuing on with our graphing. The first one is wanting you to recognize where your x-intercept and your y-intercepts are. Your x-intercepts are where it touches the x-axis. The y-intercept, where does it touch the y-axis? So, sometimes you'll have more than one answer. In this case, if I look at my x-line, this graph touches right here, and it touches right here. It has two x-intercepts. We're just going to name the points on the x-axis where they touch. So this one touches at 1. This one is at -1, 2, 3, -3. So my x-intercepts are at +1 and -3. My y-intercepts, where does it touch the y-axis? Well, if I look at the y-axis, this only touches in one spot. It touches right down here. Where's that one spot that it touches? -3, exactly. So my y-intercept is at -3. So that's all they want you to do on those ones, is be able to pick out what is the x-intercept, what is the y-intercept. So if I look at number 2, how many x-intercepts do I have?
2.
2 of them. Right there and right there. What are my 2 x-intercepts?
-2.
-2 and
4.
4. My y-intercepts, how many do I have?
1.
1. And what is my y-intercept?
2.
2. And just to note, sometimes you don't have any on one or the other. It doesn't always touch the x-line or the y-line. If my graph was way up here like this, it wouldn't be touching the x-line. So sometimes you won't have any that you'll put in there. But these ones we do. Oops, I gotta go to the third one here. So on the third one here, what are my x-intercepts going to be?
0 and 2.
0 and 2, exactly. And what's my y-intercept?
The y-intercept is going to be 0.
0, exactly. Because this touched at the point 0, 0, it was both my x and my y-intercept, right? It touches the x-line and the y-line both in that same spot. All right.